traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 6th of November 2016. So we've got AN on a daily here, Aussie New Zealand dollar, and as you can see we've got this bit of demand here. This has been holding up price, and just last week, just towards the end of last week, we can see that price has just about engulfed this demand level. Below that we've got a series of only green candles. So should price want to fall, it may have an easy time, or a pretty easy time getting down through here, as there's no other demand, no other resistance around here until much further down. Now initially we were looking at this supply level up here. When price was heading up, it wasn't able to get past these prior highs, so this will have to wait till another time. But for the moment I'm watching to see whether price continues to break out to the downside from this demand level. Okay, moving on, let's have a look at some of the euros. Let's look at EC, Euro CAD. Okay, so I talked about this one, how it rallied from this demand level, rallying up through these through this red zone here, you know, the clear run of red candles indicating profit potential, and price has continued to ride on through. I did mention we may see a bit of trouble from here, and we did see a retrace, but that was short-lived, and price then recovered and continued to ride on back up to this level, which is this supply level here. So we've had a rally base drop, we've had one touch there, and that sent price let's have a look how many pips that sent price down, over almost 700 pips there, 600, almost 60 there, and price has rallied back up. Green candles only until about this point, and after that, you know, almost a clear run apart from this little area down here. So I'll be watching to see whether we get a reversal as we're back at this level for a second touch, or whether price wants to just go and engulf this level, and if it engulfs it, then we could see price moving a little bit higher. So yeah, just need to see what price wants to do now that it's reached this level for a second time. Okay, now I was looking at EN. I'll just give a quick overview. So yeah, so price did rally from this demand level. It did spike up a bit, wasn't able to close higher, and it's dropped back down to this demand level. This is now, you know, almost a third touch. We've got 1, 2, third touch. It does have red candles coming back down, but the odds are less likely considering that price wasn't able to close that high last time. So we shall see. Now the nearest turning point or SR is around here, so we need to watch out for that, but this is just to give an overview rather than to say I'm watching this one keenly. So moving on then, let's have a look at GU as well. Now, okay, so here's GU. I did mention this in Gulf a while back and was looking for longs, and we can see that price has started to recover on this pair. Now it's heading back up to this area. Now this was a pause before a very large down move, so with price heading back up there, it will be interesting to see what price wants to do. Now so far we've got green candles only up until about here, where there may be a bit of SR, but if this continues to rally up with only green candles and this level, and price decides to reverse at this level, then we could have a short on our hands. Failing that, we could see price engulf this, retrace, and then head further up. But we need to see what price wants to do. But this is the nearest quality level on this pair, pound dollar. So these are the main pairs I'm watching from a daily perspective. Until next time, happy trading, guys.